Hello po, Tito Bestoy and Tita Juliet. Happy 50th anniversary po. More blessings po from the Lord. And bigyan pa po kayo ng best health. Ang Love Team of the Year, happy 50th anniversary.
Hello, everybody. Blessed happy 50th wedding anniversary to you, Felix and Juliet. I wish you more years to come. I love you more and miss you all. Regards to everybody, especially to Auntie Mena. Enjoy your day.
Happy anniversary, Kuya Felix and Ate Juliet. Happy 50th golden anniversary. Wish ko sa inyo more years to celebrate. Be happy, be healthy, and keep on traveling. This greeting is coming from Alaska. Sana magkita-kita rin tayo this year, 2025. Hugs and kisses to Auntie Mena. Thank you, Maravit.
Hi, Kuya Felix and Ate Juliet. Happy 50th anniversary. Congratulations. Cheers.
Cheers! Congratulations!
Congratulations on your 50th marriage.
You two must have a special formula for making it work. Happy anniversary,
for
Juliet,
Juliet
and Felix.
and Felix. Hope to see you guys soon.
And regards to Auntie Mena, we love you guys.
Love you.
Okay.
Happy 50th anniversary.
Well, Juliet, Bess, happy anniversary. 50 years. Wow! That's a lot of numbers. Wow, teka, mali yata yung English ko. Anyway, guess nyo na yung message, right? Again, happy anniversary. I wish and pray that the God, Lord will grant you more years of happy, healthy, and fruitful life together. Again, happy anniversary. Bye. Enjoy your day.
Hey Juliet and Felix, happy anniversary.
Happy golden anniversary.
Hey, happy anniversary.
This is Roy and Susan from New Jersey. I am the youngest among the boys in the family. So, Kuya Felix, Ate Juliet, we greet you a very happy anniversary, happy 50th anniversary. We are thankful and grateful to God for all that you continue to do, especially taking care of Nanay and even of Tatay when he was still around. And so, again, happy 50th anniversary.
Hey, Juliet and Felix, congratulations on your 50th anniversary. Hopefully, Jeff and I can celebrate the same milestone in 18 years. We are recording this from
Brunei.
Brunei. Bye.
Anniversary. Felix, Juliet, happy 50th wedding anniversary. Kumusta na?
Sige naman.
Okay, sige.
Ako naman, akala ko hindi na matatapos to eh. Happy anniversary sa inyo. Naganda kami ng konting salita, konting pagbati. Hanga nga kami sa inyo. Kasi maglilimang taon na pagsasama nyo, tibay-tibay nyo, hindi na sisira na. Pati pamilya. Okay na, babay na. Ikaw, baka magsasabihin ka pa. Wala na. Basta, ibig ko maligaya ang pamilya mo. At narating nyo ang ganyang edad. Ganyang panahon sa mabot kayo ng 50 anibersaryo ng kanyang kasal. Maligaya, bate! Pabalik, golden
Hi
wedding.
Lola, hi Lola. Happy golden anniversary. Thank you for taking care of us and babysitting us when we were little. Thank you for spoiling us and taking us to school. Happy 50th anniversary.